These are my two witnesses, Woodrow, Woody, my mama, Teresa. All right.
There you go.
There we go. Okay. Now, imagine a man or a woman making $20 an hour. That is quickly becoming a trend of apprehension in a lot of places. Because with recent changes in bills passed, we were granted this. We were granted $20 an hour. But with the $15 an hour. But when we got the most out of that, we are also hurting ourselves, because with the consumer price increase, it has gone up nearly 7.5%. And with a higher CPI, we have a steady cost increase. So how is someone now supposed to work so hard and at times being treated so terribly at work by other people? How do we still not make enough? That is because that has little to do with that and more with the revenue to be brought in from alternative means, from travel and power, as well as bringing in more mixed revenues. Now, you see, it's all tied into these two things. The companies producing these items, they produce things on factories, produce power, and buy the gas used to get everything to and from. Now, imagine this. Factories running 24 hours a day to produce the products we need. Keeping those factories running constantly, that exhausts a lot of energy, a lot of bill pay. We pay for that. That causes the CPI to go up as well. Gas is used to transport these products to and from. That also raises our costs. If we can find cleaner, more ethical reasons to get these products, then that $15 an hour will not only stretch farther, it'll help us out more, because we're in essence just paying for the shipping and handling now. So, and on top of that, we do not have a lot of the components that we do need in America right now. We have to order them, so we're paying a lot of money in exports, from chips, technologies, pharmaceuticals, things of that nature. We are really paying a lot out of our own pockets just to bring these into America. Now, we need to figure out how to produce these products so we can actually give back and be able to get ahead of what we need in the future. With us eliminating a lot of our import needs, we can bring the power back to America. And not only bringing us power, we can also be able to make it in America, shipping it out where it's needed as need be, instead of waiting for it to be manufactured and brought to us. Now, I have mentioned before how we import and export, and after research, our biggest imports I've found, as I said, are technological components, oil. Seafood was on the list. I didn't expect that. Electrical, machinery, and pharmaceuticals. If we slowly start to build up what we as Americans can make and sell and use to the rest of the world, it will drive charges down, helping us get to be in a much better spot than we are in now. With us exporting goods, we can have a steady economy built on the needs of the American people. That is my presentation.
Not bad.
Hey, that sounded good one.
Not bad.